Another roller coaster opens up here in 2023, and ACE members like Derek Perry are here for reactions.
Luna is a perfect addition to this park. It's great for the whole family. It's a perfect Vekoma family boomerang ride.
2023 might be the year of the family roller coaster.
If you're having a child and the child is not yet into theme parks, this is the moment where they will get it.
Families traveling to Sweden this year might want to check out this new ride.
Luna is a really great family boomerang from Vekoma. It's really nice to put over here on the hill in Liseberg.
The head of concept engineering for Vekoma was privileged designing Luna.
Liseberg is a completely unique park in many different ways, many different good ways. And I think it's an honor, in some sense, to actually be able to build something for this park.
It is actually the perfect family ride that this park needed.
Everyone was so happy riding Luna.
Here we go. Woohoo!
Vekoma's longest, highest, and fastest junior boomerang roller coaster is a perfect fit for the park, says Andreas Andersson.
It's a big milestone for us, and also an opening we've been planning for a number of years.
ACE members love many aspects of the ride.
I love the color of the train.
It's the location.
On the highest point in the park.
It feels bigger because it's on the hill.
And the best thing about the ride is that you can see all the park, all the coasters around you.
Carin Davits from Vekoma also admires the coaster's view.
And when you sit in the last coach, when you leave the station and you go backwards, you can see the view, it's magnificent view of the whole park here. So that's just magnificent, yeah.
First of all, the location of this coaster, the family boomerang at Liseberg, is different, very different, of course, and from the other ones that we've done before.
Many of the coaster elements ACE members love.
It's really, really good, and you can't compare anything over that they ever built already. It's the speed, it's the height.
It's even more fun than I thought it would be. There's some surprise pops of air. It's like a really long ride that goes forward and backwards, so that's unique for a shuttle coaster.
Luna is a unique ride that follows a 242-meter track until it reaches a dead-end spike, before returning back along the same track.
The elements on the ride, like I said, they are similar to what we've done on other family boomerangs, because the target audience is the same, of course, and you can't do too much different than what we've already done with these rides. But
they got some great elements in it, like the spike is amazing. And also there's some kind of a bunny hop when you come out of the station, and you really feel a little up. And it's really, really good. I really love it.
But I think that every single element on this ride, all the twisted hills, and even just the drop down the lift,
here we go.
They are all just on a different level because of the location.
And the whole ride itself was more fun than I even thought it would be. It's longer than I thought. It has some forces, there are hills. It's a really great addition to the park. I loved it.
The Vekoma design team made the most from this project.
So we did study like a couple different options before we landed on this concept on where do we put these typical family boomerang type elements on the mountain to get the most out of it as a complete concept. How do we really use that location on the hill or looking down onto the park?
The design also helps with the flow of people in the park.
And we also want to attract more people up here because in the summertime the children's area get very busy, and this is sort of a way of distributing the guests a little better.
Congrats to Vekoma and Liseberg Park on a fantastic new family edition.
It's the most fun I've had on a boomerang coaster.